Hello there. So Savage Gamer 1998 asked me to make a video on this. He wants me to show how to fix the common problem with these Funai VCRs. Remember, I always thought that the worm gear jammed on these mechanisms, but it's actually not the worm gear itself. It's this pulley right here. Oh, come on, don't do this. Oh, let me turn on my macro vision. It's this pulley right here. You see, unlike most VCRs, this one is being held with a cheap plastic piece right there that often gets cracked. And when it gets cracked, the pulley will be like vulnerable to jumping out, causing the VCR to jam and not work anymore. But there is a way to prevent it, and I know how to fix that, and I know how to do it, luckily for me. I take my crazy glue. It has a brush attached to it. So I have the crazy glue. And it's a brush. It's a oh shit. Don't worry, none of it spilled, don't worry. Okay, so it has a brush attached to it. But before we do use it, watch me. Put a tiny flat, no, not flat, Phillips, or I think I could use flat too, I don't know. The piece right there, look at it, just being held by that. That's all it's being held by. So what I do is, this pulley can push a little bit. I leave that. I let the screwdriver hold on to this piece. Oh, fuck. Sorry, excuse me. So I let that screwdriver hold on to this, like this. Can hold this in place carefully. I don't want to break anything. Well, this one's actually not cracked, so I don't have to do that. So what I do is take this crazy glue. Okay. And apply just a little bit right where this hole is. Just a little bit, just so it can hold it. So it doesn't fly off, you know what I mean? A little more, so it doesn't fly away. Okay, that should be enough. Like I said, or you could use like a small pocket knife. Like this right here. It's like a knockoff of a Swiss Army knife right here. I pin it there. The plastic piece, making sure it's like going through the hole there. And hold that there until the glue settles in, dries out a bit. Super glue can dry out, it doesn't take like too long for it to harden and all that. And this actually has a very good grip. So I like this. I like the crazy glue. Hold on, let me get the motor assembly back together and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so the motor assembly is back in and all that. So, and like I said, this dries pretty fast and all that, so, oh yeah, this is why I have the macro vision. This should hold. Now, let's see what happens when I put the replacement belt on. Hopefully, it should not. The pulley should not, you know, come off. I only got one hand, so this might be hard for me to do on camera. I can do this instead. There we go. And now, it should not fall off. Or come apart. So I'm gonna actually put a little more super glue in that little hole right there where the knife is, but just to be sure. But that is how you fix the cheap plastic part in the that holds the pulley, loading pulley, in your Funai made VCRs with this mechanism. I hope you found this helpful, and you guys have a wonderful day. Be kind, rewind.
Bitch.